Hi, I am Capri and this channel is about hula hooping. In this video, I will cover an answer for you to the question, is standing like this, like I'm doing right now, and hula hooping only around your waist an effective workout? Let's analyze it through different angles. I will be giving you some hints and tips and answers to the most common questions. So stay with me through all the video, and as always with these top tip videos, I recommend you to spin your hula hoop while listening to it. Let's go. Alright, so the most common questions that appear when somebody is interested in hula hooping workout will be, of course, how many calories can I burn with hula hooping? How many kilos in how long time I can lose from my weight? Is it an effective full body workout, and how many centimeters, etc, etc. Okay, let's answer it shortly. If you are interested in a wider answer, I give you links in the description to my blog article where you can find all the answers expanded to these questions. So, calories burned? Yeah, even if you are standing like this and hula hooping, you will burn calories. Will you reduce the fat tissue and reduce the amount of centimeters in the zone of your waist, of your hips? Yes, most probably, if you will be doing it regularly, it will go down. Will you boost the endurance of your muscles? On this, there are many theories. Again, if you want to read more about this, jump into the blog article. So, analyzing it only from analyzing the workout only from the raw data, we could make an assumption that yes, hooping in one spot can be an effective workout. But what are the pros and the contras about this kind of exercising? Let's jump into the next part. Okay, so we know that we have the calories burn, the fat tissue reducing, maybe improving the strength in your core. But is it all about the efficiency of a workout? Or would you like maybe to increase its level and make it more interesting for you, spice it up a little with additional exercises, and make it more efficient in the understanding of the full body, okay? Because what we discussed here, waist hooping with the stiff legs in one spot, in my opinion, it is producing a lot of tension in your muscles, okay? Because the back muscles, the bum muscles, the leg muscles, and the belly muscles are doing a regular tension work in here. And if you are doing it on a regular basis, you are only producing more and more and more tension, especially if you are not taking the basic body hygiene in workouts, so warming up and cooling down after your workout and stretching the muscles that have worked to give them the air and the extension they need after this strong work, okay? So, what are your possibilities in here besides standing and waist hooping? You can add some simple additional elements. You can find even some of them in my 10 minutes hula hoop workout, which is available in this channel. Maybe I'll place it here, okay, so that you can find it easy. And you can expand your workouts through different exercises beside waist hooping, okay? Make it more fluid, make it more flexible, make your body feel more free in this, and you will see that the effects that you will achieve will be even bigger, okay? So, waist hooping only, standing in one position itself, it seems very stiff, it seems very tensed, okay? And it's true. You are here, especially if you are spinning only in one direction. It's like one of the biggest mistakes about hula hooping workout, that you spin only to the one direction, because yeah, the motion itself in explanation is going front and back or side to side, whether you prefer the first or the second. However, it is not a flat motion of your body, of your muscles. It is always adding some intention, some direction in the movement, and one part of our body is tensed a little more. So, to bring balance, spin both directions, okay? Into your intuitive way that comes as a first one when you grab a hula hoop and you just feel like spinning this way, and then challenge yourself to go the other direction, okay? If you would like to challenge yourself even more and give your body more experience through hula hooping, jump into my website, check on the online courses. Each of them will have a testing out period. So maybe if you check it right now, you will enter a testing program. I will always search 10 people to test out each program, to value it, to check what's working, what's not, give me hints, and make it perfect before launching it to the wider audience, okay? So jump into my website. If there is like testing program opened at the moment, subscribe to the newsletter and you will get notified about any future ones of them, okay? So let's get back on our topic and let's make a resume. Here we go with a resume. We've answered the question. We will burn the calories, we will decrease the amount of centimeters, the fat tissue around our core, around our waist and hips area. However, to make it even more efficient and better for our body, we will spin both directions, okay? So either we spin to our intuitive direction, we always make the catch, break and change direction, okay? If you need a tutorial to this trick, for this trick, jump into the description, it's all out there, okay? Second, add additional elements, not standing in one position, maybe balancing on one leg and spinning your hoop. It's a huge change, believe me, but about this in another full episode, okay? Lift your hands up, check what's the difference. Throw your hands to the sides, check the difference, okay? Move a little with your hoop. Try not to stay still in one position and check out for yourself and you will see the answer by yourself, okay? All right. Now this was a fancy one as well. And it's also included in the workout program. So thank you for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I hope as fast as possible as I could, I answered your question about the efficiency of the hula hoop workouts, okay? If you liked it, share it, leave me a sign of your presence here, click the like button, leave me a comment if you have any additional doubts about the efficiency of hula hooping workouts or any other topic that you would like me to analyze on this channel. Okay, maybe there's a special trick that you would like to discover, all right? We will pass into this as well. Okay, so thank you very much, subscribe to my newsletter, and see you in the next episode.